In this video, we will learn how to construct a tangent to the circle. Construction. Draw a pair of tangents to the circle of radius 5 cm which are inclined to each other at the angle of 60 degree. As per the question, we need to draw tangents to the circle of angle 60 degree. The sum of the angle between the radii and the tangent is 180 degree. So 180 degree minus 60, we get 120 degree. Now we need to draw a circle of radius 5 cm. Take the compass, measure 5 cm and draw a circle. Mark the center as O. Now draw the line from O to the circumference of the circle. The point as A. Now take the protractor and construct an angle of 120 degree. The point as B. Now take the compass and keep it at the point A and draw the semicircle. It should touch the center of the circle. Mark that point as C. Take the compass from the point C, cut an arc and mark that point as D. Not change the width of the compass. From the point D, cut an arc. From the point C, cut another arc and mark that point as P. From the point P, draw a straight line which touches the point A. We call that line as tangent. Tangent means a line that intersects the circle at only one point. A tangent is drawn at the end of the radius. Keeping point as B, draw another semicircle. It should touch the center of the circle and mark that point as M. Now take the compass, keep at the point M and cut an arc. Mark that point as S. From the point S, cut an arc and from the point M, cut another arc. Mark that point as U. From the point U, draw a line passing through the point B till it touches the point P. Now take the protractor and measure the point P. We get 60 degree. PA and PB are the two tangents of 60 degree. Thank you.